Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we have finished 2 classes in the chapter indefinite integration. Indefinite integrals or indefinite integration or simply integration. Okay, definite integrals is different from this chapter. 2 classes we have finished, 8 questions we have finished. This is third class. We will try to solve 4 more questions in this class from question number 9 to 12. Okay. See, this question is asked in Eamcet 2019. If integral cos x into cos 2x into cos 5x dx is equal to, see, answer also they are giving a sin 2x plus b sin 4x plus c sin 6x plus d sin 8x plus k. That means answer is looking like cos is going to become sin x, like. But see, here multiplication is there, here additions are there. That you have to remember. That the formula we know very well. Why? Because see, cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b is equal to cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b will come. Cos integration if you make automatically sin only will come. That we know, we will proceed accordingly. But see, in answer values will come. Those values you have to see coefficients. Coefficients you have to take, and 1 by b plus 1 by c you have to take. Okay. Let us proceed. This is not that much difficult question. Easy question only. Let us solve. Okay. See how I am solving. Integral cos x into cos 2x into cos 5x dx is equal to, you see here 2 plus 5 you cannot see, 5 plus 2, okay, 5 plus 2 by 2, 5 minus 2 by 2, not looking odd. That is why you take these two. 5 plus 1, 6 by 2, something like, let us see. Okay. But see what I am doing. Integral, see, cos 2x I will take like this. Okay. See what I am doing now. 1 by 2 I am keeping outside into 2 cos 5x into cos x dx. Is it okay? First you see why? Because 2 going to get cancelled out. Earlier 2 was not there. 2 going to get cancelled out. Now you see 2 cos a cos b. 2 cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Okay. Cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Write down. That is equal to, see, 1 by 2 you keep, cos 2x also you keep. Now you see 2 cos a cos b means cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Cos a plus b, 5 plus 1, 6 plus cos a minus b, 5 minus 1, 4. Okay. Dx, that is equal to. Okay, understand this step. Then you send cos 2x inside. 1 by 2 integral cos 6x cos 2x plus cos 4x cos 2x dx. Okay. If you want, you can keep like this. Okay. Again see 2 you can keep, but 1 by 2 you can take out. That means see, outside what will become? It is going to become 1 by 4 integral 2 cos 6x cos 2x plus 2 cos 4x cos 2x whole dx. Okay. Because we have kept 2, that is why we have made this 1 by 4 rather than 1 by 2. Okay. Again you see 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b, cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b, right? Now 1 by 4 cos of a plus b, 6 plus 2, 8, cos 8x plus cos a minus b, 6 minus 2, 4x plus cos a plus b, 6x again plus cos a minus b, 4 minus 2, 2x. Okay. See, after integration you have to keep plus k. Why k rather than c? Why? Because here he is showing k, that is why I have kept k. Understand? Why k means he is also mentioning k, that is why I have kept k. Or else we will write it c. Okay. Let us proceed then. See, is it okay? No. Why? Because see, after integration, no, we have not yet made integration. Confused. See, we have still integration is there. We have not yet made integration. Why? Because see, earlier this we have made this but not integration, only trigonometric changes only we are making. Now this we have made, these two, this we have made, these two still dx we have to write then. Okay, dx we have not yet made. Now you make integration. Now you make integration, that is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, cos 8x means sin 8x by 8 plus sin 4x by 4 plus sin 6x by 6 plus sin 2x by 2. Now plus k you keep. Why? Because now no integration, that is why you have to add constant k. K, why you have used k? K is here, that is why we have used it. Okay, now you set 1 by 4 also inside. Why? Because see, this shape we want to bring 1 by 32 sin 8x, 1 by 32 sin 8x plus 1 by 16 sin 4x, 1 by 16 sin 4x plus 1 by 24 sin 6x, 1 by 24 sin 6x plus 1 by 8 sin 2x, 1 by 8 sin 2x. I will keep this plus here. Okay. Now you compare plus k also you have to write. Don't forget k. Because k also you have to write. You see, don't see all. You see only b and c. B and C means sin 4x coefficient and sin 6x coefficient you require. Okay, write down. B is equal to B sin 4x coefficient. Sin 4x coefficient 1 by 16. B is equal to 1 by 16, comma C is equal to 1 by C you require, that is a C. Sin 6x coefficient. Sin 6x coefficient is 1 by 24. Write down 1 by 24. What you require? 1 by B plus 1 by C. 1 by B means it is going to become 16 plus 1 by C means it is going to become 24. That is equal to 40. This is the answer. Okay. Let us go for next question. Okay. See question number 10. Integral dx by e power x plus e power minus x whole square. This question is asked in Eamcet 2018. How to solve this question? Okay, proceed simply. Why? Because directly you cannot say how to proceed and all. First of all, what we can say, e power minus x means 1 by e power x. See how I am writing, e power x plus 1 by e power x whole square, that is equal to integral dx by, see, e power x into e power x, e power 2x plus 1 divided by e power x, but whole square is there still. Okay, see, here also square is there for numerator and denominator. E power 2x it is going to become, this denominator is going to become numerator. Write down. Integral e power 2x dx divided by e power 2x plus 1 whole square. Okay, like this we keep. E power 2x is going to become numerator and e power 2x plus 1 whole square is denominator. You see, now what we will do, you take e power 2x plus 1 entire thing as t. Okay, write down. See how I am doing. Let t is equal to e power 2x plus 1. Okay, then you see dt is equal to, see, both differentiator dt by dx. Then the dx we will send outside. D by dx of e power 2x is e power 2x. But again into 2 will come. Why? Because 2x is we are going to do. 1 is 0. But this dt by dx means dx we are sending this side. Okay? Or else, what you can write? Yeah. E power 2x dx is equal to dt by 2. Why? Because e power 2x dx only is there. 2 is not there. Then the 2 you have to write 1 by 2 like. Okay? Okay. Proceed then. Integral, so e power 2x dx dt by 2 okay, divided by this entire thing we have taken as t, that means t square, that is equal to 1 by 2 integral t power minus 2 dt. Why? Because t square, if you go to numerator, t to the power of minus 2, that means that is equal to 1 by 2, you keep like this only, t power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 plus c also. See, After removal of integration, you immediately add c. Okay, that is good practice. That is equal to 1 by 2 times minus 2 plus 1 means t power minus 1 divided by minus 2 plus 1 means minus 1. C plus c plus c. How it is going to become then? You see, this minus is there, you transfer. Minus 1 divided by 2 times of t. Why? Because t will come to denominator. Okay, t will come to denominator, minus 1 means. Okay, see, t value is how much? T value is this one, completely you write down. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 times of e power 2x plus 1 plus c. This is answer. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 11. Integral dx by square root of sin cube x cos x is equal to gx plus c. They have given gx plus c, but we have to find gx. That means constant you have to remove, that's all. Okay, arbitrary constant c. Without c, you have to do. Like that also we can pursue. Let us proceed. Let's proceed. See, how can we do? See, divide numerator and denominator by cos square x. See how I am writing. Integral 1 by cos square x dx divided by 1 by cos square x into sin cube x cos x. Is it okay? Why? Because see, both numerator and denominator we are dividing with cos square x. There is no problem. But 1 by cos square x is going to become secant square x. Numerator is going to become secant square x dx. Okay? Now you see, cos square x outside, if you send inside the square root, it is going to become cos to the power of 4x. Okay? Cos to the power of 4x. Sin cube x into cos x earlier was there. Cos cube x into cos x. Shall I write like this? Cos square x will be outside. But if it goes inside, it is going to become cos to the power of 4x. Okay? Then you see, cos x you cancel out. Sin cube x by cos cube x, tan cube x. Secant square x dx divided by tan cube x under root. Okay. Now you take tan x as t. Tan x as t. You take. Why? Because see, t by dx of tan x secant square x dx will come. That is why you have to take tan x only as t. Let tan x is equal to t. Then secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay. Then you see how we are going to change this one. Implies integral dt divided by, okay, dt divided by t cube but under root. This also we can write like this, you see. T power minus 3 by 2 dt. But because see, actually this is t power 3 by 2, root 2 if it goes to. Okay, but denominator, if it goes numerator, by power minus 3 by 2. Okay, now you can solve that. You can solve that. Write down that is equal to t power minus 3 by 2 plus 1 by minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Plus c shall we write? No, why? Because see, we are finding gx. Why should we write it? We reduce one step. Okay, see, minus 3 plus 2, minus 1 by 2. T power minus 1 by 2 divided by, this is also minus 1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, see, this minus 1 by 2 means in numerator this is going to become minus 2. Minus 2. T power minus 1 by 2 means see, this is going to become t power 1 by 2. Okay, if it comes to y, numerator minus means denominator plus. That is equal to minus 2 by t means what here? T means tan x. Tan x. But you keep root x also. Minus 2 by root x is your answer. See, this is gx. Write down gx like. Okay, this is gx. Okay, let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 12. This is also they have given equal to f of x plus c, you find f of x like, but that is not going to make any major difference. Plus c you are adding, that's all. That is why let us solve this question. That is enough for us. Why? Because we are getting experience, that all. Okay. Okay. See how I am writing this. See, this is the question. By not wasting the space, I am continuing here itself. You see that is equal to. Here also you see. First of all, you change this as sin 2x cos x as 2 sin x cos x. Okay. Then we can understand what to be done and all. Root 2 dx by outside cos x is there, okay, but this I will change as 2 sin x cos x. Is it okay? Okay, now see, even though denominator separation is there, but all on multiplication only. There is no plus addition subtraction. Directly, if you want to send inside, you can send by cos square x. Okay, then cos square x and cos x, cos cube x it is going to become. I am sending how I am sending, you see. Integral root 2 dx by root 2 into root of sin x cos cube x. Why? Because this cos x, if it goes inside the root, goes cos square x. Cos square x into cos x, cos cube x. Sin x already is there. Root 2 I have separated. Multiplication we can separate. For this sake I have separated. Now you think what to be done and all. Dx by sin x cos cube x. Like last question only. 1 by cos square x. You divide. See, 1 by cos square x, if you divide automatically inside square root, it is going to become cos to the power of 4x. Here 1 by cos square x, it is going to become secant square x. I am not jumping any step. Let me write it. Let it be more steps, but you have to understand carefully. That is equal to, you see, integral 1 by cos square x dx divided by 1 by cos square x sin x cos cube x. Is it okay? Okay. See, if I want to send inside as a denominator, this is going to be cos to the power of 4x. Okay, write down then. Then what about this numerator? Numerator is going to become secant square x. Secant square x dx by sin x cos cube x divided by cos to the power of 4x. Why? Cos square, if it goes inside, cos to the power of 4x. Okay, now you see, cos cube x completely it will get away and only cos x will be there. Okay, sin by cos, tan. Secant square x dx by tan x but under root. Okay, sin by cos, tan. Okay, now you take tan x as t like last question. You take t is equal to tan x, comma, secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, numerator if you see secant square x dx only is there, then write down that is equal to integral dt by root t. Tan x you have taken as t. Root t means t power 1 by 2. Okay, t power 1 by 2. This is going to become like this, you see, t power minus 1 by 2 dt. Now it is not in denominator, it has gone to numerator. Now you can do that is equal to t power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. After removal of integration, you apply c. Right now, see, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 means plus 1 by 2 will come. Why? Because minus 1 by 2 is smaller than 1. Plus 1 by 2. Denominator 1 by 2 means 2. 2. Here also 1 by 2 will come, but it is numerator only. That means root t plus c. That is equal to 2 times of root t means t what you have taken? T we have taken as tan x only. 2 root tan x plus c. See, if they ask only f of x plus c, f of x only, then you write 2 root tan x, that's all. C you need not write, like that, okay? Now, we will stop this class. We will continue in the next class for another 4 questions, okay? Thank you very much.